Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the Roomba C510 error. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So first, what you can try to do is to remove the vacuum bin. So remove the vacuum bin from the robot by pressing the bin release button on the back of the robot. So thus, this will detach the bin from the robot and allow you to inspect it for any problems. And then next, what you can do is to check for any debris or damage. So check for any debris or damage on the bin, so the sensor or the connection port. So clean them with a soft cloth if needed, and sometimes dust or dirt can block the sensor or connection port and can cause a false error. So therefore, you can use a soft cloth to wipe them clean gently, and further you should check for any cracks or dents on the bin that might affect its fit or function. And then next is to reinstall the vacuum. So reinstall the vacuum bin by sliding it into the bin slot until it clicks into place. So thus you need to attach it firmly to the robot. So this will reconnect bin to the robot and the sensor, and you will hear a click sound after you attach the bin securely, and additionally you can wiggle the bin slightly to ensure it is not loose. And then lastly, what you can do is to restart the vacuum. So just press the button on the top of the robot to restart it, and this will clear the error code and resume the cleaning cycle. So if the error is fixed, you should see a green light on the robot's screen and hear a voice saying ready to clean. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.